Good morning everybody, this is day 2 in Sisu. We are at the start of the Kshitidhar trek. मेरे पीछे जो दिख रहा है वो है the Kshitidhar glaciers. They're called the hanging glaciers. Why? We'll only be able to explain it once we get there, so hang on tight for that. Some information that you need for this trek is it's a little over 3.5 hours long to and fro. We are at the moment a little over 10,000 feet and by the end of the trek we'll be close to 12,000 feet. It's a fairly simple and easy trek. जो मेरे पीछे आपको दिख रहा है वो incline है, उसके बाद एक plateau आता है. That makes it very easy and it becomes an easy busy walk. Apart from this, what you need to know is get your water bottle, get some food and get no plastic for this trek. So that's pretty much it with respect to information. So let's go see the hanging glaciers.
I found that photo in the sofa, and it's from way back in '01. So I guess there's much I never told you.
Glacier pani. Cancel.
हाँ इतना ठंडा नहीं है. I think my hands were colder.
Let's just begin, bros.
Memories of 6 kids running around those halls. Then out in the California sunshine, we wore no shoes through alleys.
Alright guys, so we are pretty much like half an hour, 40 minutes into the trek. Incline पे almost आधा खत्म हो गया. I think खत्म होने आ रहा है. And it's been an easy trek right now. मैं थोड़ा half रहा हूँ and we've been a little slow because we have a lot of luggage with us, like equipment and stuff. So it's हमें थोड़ा extra time लग रहा है. It's probably 20-25 minutes का जो period है हमने 30-40 minutes में किया है. And you'll see a lot of really small streams going by. I mean, just next to where you're walking. So it's always a nice, you know, ऐसी प्यारी सी मीठी सी आवाज़ आती रहती है all the time that you're walking. Also there are some streams where you can fill water and drink also because ये glacier पानी है. It's full of minerals, I'm assuming, and very good taste. Very good taste. How is it, guys? How has it been till now?
It's quite fun, yeah. And,
It's been quite easy.
Yeah, it has been easy.
And all my friends, they're begging me, making bids on mom's fresh cookies. And I quit playing ball at age 15, traded my new bat for an old guitar.
So film करते करते we had to put the camera on a spot और उसके बाद we had to go back to pick the camera up. तो इस बार we decided कि एक बंदा पहले ही आगे पहुंच जाए और उसको 2 मिनट का ब्रेक भी मिल जाएगा because अब थोड़ा स्टीप हो चुका है. As you can see काफ़ी बड़े बड़े रॉक्स है. या ब्रो कुकीज़ खाए जा रहे हैं midway.
Energy break. Cookies are not the best snack, but we couldn't find protein bars.
कुछ भी हो जाए यश को मिसप्लेस नहीं होने देना है
Cookies,
because हाँ उसके पास कुकीज़ है.
सबसे important. ये क्या देख?
What do you think?
Probably some part of a dead animal, maybe.
I think it's really hairy shit.
I hope it doesn't belong to a bear.
We have hit the plateau. Unfortunately, sunlight has left us, so it's windy and cold. Chilly? Very chilly, windy and chilly. What do you think, Yash? Yash, Pulkit?
Extremely cold.
Mint.
I'm wearing a mask to protect my face because my nose
Oh,
has
snot.
nuts.
Pulkit, how are you feeling, man?
It's way too chilly. My nose is dead. My hands are freezing, but you gotta do what you gotta do.
That's true, and you did what you did. Beautiful drone shots brought to you by Pulkit Kalra.
Thank you, sir.
So finally guys, we've reached the end of our trek. I think we're just half an hour away. वो जो आपको वॉल दिख रही है वहाँ पे, that is the end of the trek. Unfortunately हम वहाँ नहीं जा रहे क्योंकि अगर मुझे पता नहीं आपको फ्रेम में दिख रहा होगा कि नहीं, but it has already started raining and it is a little unsafe to be going there at the moment, so we will not be going there because if it starts raining and अगर आप देख रहे हैं कि वो वैली काफ़ी narrow है, if it starts raining then it will not take a lot of time to reach here and there's a good chance that we might get stuck. So we definitely do not want this. What I can tell you right now is what is visible is the Friendship Peak right here and the Shititar Glaciers right here. Unfortunately जो हम वहाँ पहुँचते तो हमें यहाँ के भी peaks दिखाई देते जो obviously snow clad हैं और glaciers हैं, वो हमें नहीं दिख पा रहे, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, it is what it is. We can't challenge nature. We are going to do what is right for us and what is safe for us. So we've decided that we'll sort of have a mini camp here, spend some time, not a lot because the rains are coming our way. थोड़े games खेलेंगे, खाना वाना खाएंगे, and we'll head towards, we'll start our descent. So with that, guys, I will leave you with some shots of the beautiful Shititar trek. How much ever that we could complete, by the way. I hope you had fun enjoying this trek with us as we did also, and we leave you with these shots. कैसा लग रहा है पुलकित?
ये देखो कलर में फर्क दिखो।
I didn't have my hands in the water.
तो हम यहाँ बैठे हैं फिलहाल ठाकुर जी के साथ और गौरव जी के साथ. ठाकुर जी primarily is responsible for scouting destinations for Zostel, finding properties and also setting them up. तो currently ये Zostel Sisu setup कर रहे हैं, इसलिए यहाँ पे हैं हमारे साथ, and he's also helping us explore this particular destination. Gaurav ji here is a local guide and he knows more about this place than I think all of us combined. We were on this trek with these guys so that we have enough information that we could share with you so that you are also inspired and to come here and try this trek out. Now, however, we face some technical difficulties which are of the natural kind and we had to run back. तो ठाकुर जी हमारे साथ actually हुआ क्या है?
Ishan, we have to understand that we are trying this track in onset of the winters. I'll
Right.
say autumn is in the peak,
Right.
and ये इवनिंग का भी टाइम होने वाला है.
हाँ.
एंड इस वजह से ऐसा हुआ कि सडनली द टेम्परेचर चेंज, ऊपर माउंटेन्स में बारिश होना स्टार्ट होगी एंड वैलीज़ के अंदर बहुत तेज़ विंड्स चलना स्टार्ट होगी. एंड आई कैन सी यू गाइज वियरिंग वेरी लेस क्लोथ्स, इवन मी, एंड आई डोंट वांट यू टू गेट कैच कोल्ड एंड फीवर. तो इट वाज a wise decision to fall back and get back.
So what is this place that we are sitting in right now?
यार ये this place is a permanent a wall structure which is created by shepherds. तो ये shepherds इसके अंदर स्टे करते हैं बेसिकली, एंड ये स्टे तब करते हैं जब ये अपनी गोट्स को लेकर यहाँ आते हैं चरागाहों में चराने के लिए.
Okay.
तो इसके ऊपर वो अपनी ट्रैम्पोलिन से या तरपाल डाल के they make a setup and they live in here for months or 2 or 3.
So that was it from the Shititar trek. We are heading back and we'll probably run back because the winds are really chilly more than anything else, and it's getting a little difficult. If you can see us, we are trembling and shivering. So we'll see you downstairs at probably Zoster Sisu or doing something else. Bye.